Welcome to Lifestyle Floors, your local family-owned flooring store in Colorado Springs. If you're looking to update your flooring, we are your one-stop flooring company. We offer everything from design and product selection to professional installation.
When I was 14 years old, my father taught me how to install floors. I have been helping people with their flooring needs ever since. Flooring materials have changed over the years, which is why I select only floors that both look great and hold up over time to display for you in our showroom.
Here at Lifestyle Floors, we keep the process simple with 3 easy steps so you can enjoy your new floors in just a few weeks. First, we welcome you to visit our showroom to explore all of your flooring options. We offer a full range of carpet, hardwood, tile, laminate, and LVP in updated styles and at affordable prices. Our expert staff is available to assist with design selection and provide product knowledge so that you feel confident in your selection. Next, we schedule a free in-home measurement. Third, we order your floors, which typically arrive within 7 to 10 days, and we schedule your installation around your schedule so that you can enjoy your new floors as soon as possible. Our team in the showroom and the warehouse are available to serve you and answer any of your questions that you may have throughout the process.
We welcome the opportunity to help you have the best flooring experience for your lifestyle. Visit us at our showroom at Powers and Stetson Hills, or schedule a complimentary appointment with one of our designers.